Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at an item that the company did send me. It did compensate me to make a review on this product. So what this is a dog containment system, basically a wireless fence, invisible fence. That's what this product is. Very, very cool. Going to go over a quick unboxing. I'm going to take it all out. I'm going to lay it all out for you. I'm going to show you a little bit about the product. I'm going to give you a little demo on how to set it up and to pair it up to the system, and just give you some information about this product itself. Really nice quality product. I was playing with it and just give you a couple of quick specs on it. It's designed to create a wireless fence around your home, which is really important. Remote has so it's a remote control range. In other words, you can control how far the range is, how far you want your pet to walk, and veer away from the base station. And I'll show you all this in a second, so stick with me. For dogs 5 pounds plus, it's got 6 correction levels, alerts, and static mode. 16 pet areas from 39 feet to 387 feet, ultra long range with superior signal and all kinds of really cool, mild or aggressive, whatever you're looking for, depending on how your dog is. And just really go through this again. And just for 5 pounds plus, that gives you all the information. Do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you exactly what's in this package. Stay tuned. Let's go. Let's continue. Okay guys, so I took it all out of the package and show you a little bit of exactly what's in the box here. So what this is everything that's in the box. It's very interesting, unique. It does come with an instruction manual. It's very easy to use, really good photos in here, very well laid out. So don't worry about that. Instructions are really, really easy. Good pictures, guys. We need pictures, as we all know. And this has plenty of pictures. So what's in this kit here? So let's explain this to you. So this is the actual transmitter receiver. This controls the power of the shock, controls where the dog is. You can set the distance. All that kind of stuff is in here. This goes in your home. Plugs into a USB-C in the back here. Now they do give you a power brick, and they do give you the actual cord itself, so you already have that to go. You don't have to supply it. They give it to you in the kit, so it's all included. So I love that. That's a really big positive thing. And the second thing is they give you the collar. They give you some flags. It's a very different system. I've never seen this one before. This is a unique. They have special batteries that go into the actual transmitter that actually goes into the collar. So you can see here these 2 little holes here. This is where you put your device here that gives the actual shock itself. This is the actual where the prongs screw into here. There's 2 sets of prongs. Again, depending on how big your dog is, you have longer prongs if they're very hairy, and you have shorter prongs if that's a short-haired dog. 2 different sets of prongs. This is a little that you need, like a little washer, let's say, that actually helps take up the space. It's called a spacer. It takes up the space. And I'll show you how to install that in a second. And this is a test prong, so you can see when it's lit up, so you can make sure it's working. You can actually test it, and you can see the light flashing on here. We'll go over all that in a second, so stick with me and watch this video. It's a little bit long because it's really informative as well as educational, and hope you're enjoying it. If you do like this type of video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I really do appreciate that. And if you love that, I do appreciate that. Thanks so much. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so here's the actual device. This is not rechargeable. You have to plug this in. That's number 1. USB-C. I have one right here plugged up. I'm going to plug that in a minute. So what you want to do, first thing that I would suggest is the easiest way is just get this all set up first. Okay, for that, this goes inside, because the prongs actually goes inside here, because the prongs go into the dog's neck here. Then you put the spacer in, and this just holds up the spacer like that. Okay. You can see that. And then you just plug in, or you push in your prongs, or you screw your prongs in that you want to use. So I'm just going to use the long ones just for the demonstration purposes. And you just screw these on with your hand, like you can see me doing here. Let me just show you that. Fairly easy. And then the tool actually has a little tool here to actually tighten them up like a little wrench. Just a little snug, and that is all installed. So that's all set to go. They also give you a bunch of flags to put around your property, which I think is really smart. So you can put around your property, and you can kind of mark off the distance, so you know where you set your distance in. Okay, so if it's 300 feet, you can put 380 feet. You can actually adjust these where so you know where your dog can go. Eventually they'll learn, and you'll know their distance. So that's what these flags are for. They give you a bunch of flags that come in the kit as well. So everything's well thought out and really easy to use. So the next step you want to do is plug in your device. So let me get my cable here, plug this in real quick here, and this goes in here, just like that there. You can see it lights up just like that there, and beeping, and just getting ready. Okay, so right now it's telling me it has no signal coming in for the receiver. because it's not connected yet. These are special batteries that come with this kit. And you just take this combine out, just pop this out. Really easy. There's 2 in here. Life cycle is quite a while. You get many months out of it, so not a problem. You can reorder these when you need new ones, not a problem. Very easy. And then you just push it in, and you just, like that, you just give a little tight little screw with your finger, and that's going to connect. Now, I already did right here, so it stopped blinking. You can see there's number 1, okay? And you can see here, if you get a shot of this, you'll see a blinking green light. Blinking green light means it is activated now. You just want to just pair it with the device. Now, to pair it with the device is really simple. First, you want to do just, they recommend just keep shaking it just to keep it active, okay? And then pick what you want for a power, and then hold down the minus button. You can see here like that. That's C6, so that's the different power levels. So C4 is a little bit lower. We'll just keep it on C6 and then hold it down to verify that. Just keep shaking at the same time. So this just beeped multiple times. So hopefully you can hear that. That means it's connected. It is all set to go. And you can control how far you want it to be. So different ranges in the book, it tells you 2 is 3 is so many different ranges, 5 is different ranges. And that's all you have to do. It's really super easy. I mean, it's really intuitive. It talks right back and lets you know everything you need to know. Take a quick look at the book here and just give you some quick notifications real fast. I'll show you. Let's see here. So 01 is 39 feet. Okay, 2 is 65 feet, 3 is 78 feet, 4 is 85 feet. You get the idea. Up to 16, which is 387 feet. So you can customize this to as tight as you want to keep your dog as close as possible, or as far as you want. If you have a huge yard, hey, there you go. You're all set. We'll just put this demonstration onto 1 to have a limited amount of range so I can walk away. And what I'm going to do is when I walk away, I'm going to actually put on this this tag here. We'll go on here. This is a test light. So what happens when I walk away, in a few seconds, I'm going to show and do a cutaway with my phone. As I walk away, you're going to see this is going to stop blinking, which means it's giving the dog a shock. And you can adjust the shock level to whatever you want, the different aggressiveness. Like I told you, that's where the C comes from. That's where you want to adjust that level of shockness. That's what that means. And you can have aggressive or less aggressive, do whatever you want, but it really works really well. I like the system quite a bit. I like the collar. It's easy to adjust, really easy to use. It's got everything in the kit. I mean, really, to get an invisible fence for this kind of price point is really unbelievable, honestly. It's super easy to use. Again, it's going to work great. And I've tested it. I didn't test it on my dog yet, but I know it's going to work well. And once you train them about that, it's good to go. So again, you get 2 sets of batteries, you get the transmitter, you get the receiver, you get the flags, you get the power supply, you get a really good manual, and you get a very simple way to use this and easy to set this up. So I hope it was clear to you on how to use this, and definitely going ahead, I can't even say that correctly. Go on ahead and recommend this for sure. If you're looking for a invisible fence for this price point, it's fantastic. All right, so I'm going to do a quick walk away and use my phone. I'm going to show you a cutaway of that, and we're going to take a look at that and see how it looks. And I'm going to show you exactly how as I walk away, how it activates. That's what we're going to do next. Okay, guys, so I'm just doing a quick test here. I'm just walking away. I want you to just take a look here. I'm just going to just get it ready set up, and you can see I'm just walking down my hallway, and this is on the shorter setting, and you're going to see within a few seconds, bam, it's going to light up, and you got to let the dog's going to know that something's wrong here. I got to back up. And once you go back, that shock will stop just like that. And it resets itself. Basically, that's what it does. As he walks back to the station, he'll know. As he pushes the boundary, it gets reset, he'll go back, and it goes back and forth, and you can see how it's going to work. It's going to work really, really well. Again, you can adjust the intensity, you can adjust the distance. It's just a really cool, really very affordable, one of those really cool fences everybody has. It's so expensive. This one here is not. This is really reasonable. Again, doing it again, just walking into my bedroom, very short distance, and bam, you're going to see that light going off almost immediately, and there it is right there. I did it in the dock so you can really see it really good. So I think you like this. See, what do you think? Oh, thank you. I think it's good for applause. I'm definitely going to recommend this. There you go. All right, guys. So go ahead and appreciate that. There'll be a link in the top left corner here. There's a QR code. The top right corner. Go ahead and purchase that if you want to. I do get a small commission. I do get an affiliate link. It costs you nothing. It does help support my channel. I do really appreciate that. So if you want to go ahead and do that, I do appreciate that. If not, no big deal. I'm glad you learned. I'm glad you're with me shopping. It really means a lot to me. I really do appreciate that. I'll see you with the next review, and thanks for watching, and make it a great day.